Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to give you guys an update that Tesla has now officially removed the Tesla Model Y all-wheel drive with the 4680 batteries. Okay, so we're just going to click on the vehicles and we're going to go straight to the ordering page. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. It's a Model X. We actually want to go see Model Y. So as you can see right here, if we click on the order, and it now shows only the long range and the model and the performance. Okay, so we hear purchase price starting with the Model Y long range of $50,490 and the performance is about $4,000 more. And if you guys are gonna buy it, I suggest you get the performance just for the upgrades of the wheels, the matrix headlights, and the fog lights, and the brakes. Okay, so but however, if any of you guys that are still wanting to get the all-wheel drive with the 4680 battery, you can do so, and by going to the inventory page. Okay, here you can see right here, there's not too many left. I just sorted from low to high from Model Y, and you can see this is the long range. That's the one that I have, and this is the other one, the all-wheel drive with the 4680 battery, and this one you can see that is $48,000, and it has a nice upgraded wheels and the red color as well too. So what, like $3,000 off something? And let's see if we go scroll down and if there's any more of that. Now we see a lot of long range here. A lot of long range. Oh, so only we got one left in the inventory. Wow. Yeah, it looks like they only have one left, and it's a red color. Oh wow. At the time of recording right now is September 17th at 7:56 Pacific time, guys. Yeah, they got the performance down here, but there you go, only one left. So if any of you guys out there that specifically want the 4680 battery in a Model Y, right now you can get it for $48,750. And by all means, you can see right here, this car will qualify for the 7500 federal tax credit, and it might even qualify for the California state as well too. So you might have to check with your state. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much I think that one of the reasons why Tesla is removing this as the option is because I believe the Cybertrucks is using the 4680 battery, and so that's why they're going to concentrate on producing more for Cybertrucks for the next quarter or so. So that's why this may come back or may not. But if you guys don't want to miss out, or you guys specifically just want this type of Model Y with the new type of battery, and I think this is the chance. This is a demo vehicle, by the way, 772 miles, which is still nothing. Okay, and red color upgraded wheel for the price, I would jump on it. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.